There is always more to find.
Stay here for a while.
Hey, Boji. Have you ever met him? Tezuth, I mean. I am going to fight him soon, and knowing more about him could give me the needed edge.
Indeed I have. And believe me, Tezuth knew how to stay in one's mind. Back then, the war preparations hadn't yet started, mind you. He was already full of himself, visiting my master with a herald that was supposed to announce all of his titles and deeds. Bless that poor guy. For if he hadn't choked on his own words, we would have waited for hours. And let me tell you, Tezuth only became more insufferable as the years went on. But let's continue for now. You'll get them next time. Now get some rest. I need some alternative to this. Time to continue.
Intruder! Get them, or lose your titles!
so I live another day. So, why did you call Tezuth insufferable?
What kind of person builds giant temples for himself, if not an insufferable one? But it wasn't always like this. Or Eri told me so at least. Tezuth was a highly respected warrior, and not without reason called the champion. He was one of the smaller Elisines, stature-wise, but that never kept him from being the best he could be. Even in the darkest times, he was like a shining light for his people, giving them hope. Eri didn't often talk about his past with Tezuth, but when he did, he sounded like a proud older brother, talking about the younger one's achievements.
Nobody stays the same. Most people disappoint you at some point in life.
And sometimes they surprise you at the most wondrous times.
Nothing can hold me down!
Their spirits find into the flux.
Intruder! Get them, or lose your titles! May their spirits find into the flux.
regret entering our lands!
Body boom!
Oh, feeling better already.
We can stay here for a while. We've finally reached the gate. Do you feel prepared?
As prepared as I'll ever be, I guess.
If you want to leave this behind, this is your last true chance. When you defeat Tezuth, nothing will be as it was before. Not just Akria, but you will change as well.
We will see how much I will change. But I stand to what I said. Akria will not be my tomb. I will leave this place, no matter the cost.
Then, let us not wait any longer.
Let's do this, and take one step closer to the Sage. And I learned something new.
Thank you, Akrians, for all the gifts you left the valley. This week's memories. This week's memories. Ah, I love these! Baron, look here. It seems Tezuth spared no effort to make this place memorable.
Speaking of the devil, that creature down there is him?
Indeed it is. I only saw him once in this changed form. Till this day, I never understood why he did it.
Power, of course. But no matter how much he got, it won't save him when I get to him.
Ha! Luckily, the Akrian shrine is right there, so I won't have to drag your overconfident corpse too far.
First thing I see after my sleep. A vermin.
So lucky to have me.
Sleep time's over.
mighty! Did you see that? He summoned lightning and could teleport! It should have been impossible! But I still did it!
And what grace you did! It was truly inspiring, and a bit horrifying. But it gave me a brilliant idea how I can help you in future fights. Anyway, with Tezuth gone, you are now the true sovereign over Insium.
I expected to feel different.
Change can happen slowly, sneaking. The balance of the three elements is delicate, and if disturbed it will harm you and your soul. The missing balance drove Tezuth and the others into their greed for more power, pushing them into deciding to change themselves even more, completely abandoning what they once were. What you just saw wasn't an Elisine anymore. They did this just to win one fight against each other. A duel planned by Eri as a way to end the war without using their armies. But he did not foresee how far they would go to win.
I don't like the sound of that. Why didn't you tell me sooner?
Because I believe in you, Farron. I believe you will be able to fight it, just like me. I will always carry only Genon within me. While you will change, if you remember where you come from and strive to always be your best, we will surely overcome anything. Now let's leave this temple. I think we're done here. Maybe we can stay here for a while.
Tasty. Where do we go next?
Now we leave for the distant mountains of the Mannonite region to find Usko. Facing him will be the greatest challenge yet, for he was the most skilled and brutal fighter. But we have no choice but to try.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go get him.
Whoa, 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 hold your horses. Again, we will have to awaken his general first. Without his spirit part, I won't be able to awaken Usko.
Darn, I remember. Then I suppose we're going to his region first? Where's the entrance?
I have to admit, I don't know. I rarely left the tower. I spent my time mostly studying under Eri.
Well, you are lucky to have such an experienced explorer by your side. Finding the entrance after I found the most sought-after valley in history should be a breeze.
Aha! Then after you.
Okay, I got it all down.
always loved these paintings.
The people in it are the Akreans, right? And that is... the spire?
They're bringing the spirits that weren't able to get into the flux alone to the spire. There, they will be released. It was their most holy ritual. Oh, but I forgot. You don't believe in such things. Or do you?
It is hard to doubt it, after spirits have entered this... stone. And since I got that ability, I can feel the flux. I feel it running through me every time I use it.
Why so upset?
Can't you see it? If they are already here, then that means they have the farther regions under their control as well.
I see. So our way has just become more difficult.
We will see about that. In Fjelldalen, there were not many of the clan that could hold their own against me. They are like wolves, only strong in packs. Oh, no offense.
Oh, none taken. We can stay here for a while. Let's open you up, shall we?
Get over here!
So I live another day.
Here they come. Hope you're ready for it. Kriya as helpful as beautiful. Let's go!
I was the weak one. Too far! Feeling better already.
Let's go!
I must say, I sometimes wonder how someone like you was created.
Well, there are bees and flowers and...
You know, I don't mean that.
I don't know what to tell you, Boji. My story is not that special. A young kid is born and abandoned in the same breath, only to grow up as one of many in an orphanage.
That story's part of you, and as such, it is special. Especially for me. So that... orphanage? It didn't sound like you enjoyed it.
Nobody likes their orphanage. Neither the kids nor the matrons that foster them. Most kids leave the orphanage as soon as they can beg or steal good enough to earn their own food. And so did I. I just didn't belong there. And the matrons made sure to let me know every day. Well, except one.
What do you mean, except one?
Enough for now. Maybe I will tell you some other time.
Very funny, Farron.
There is always more to find. I guess this is the main entrance to his region. Don't have to be much of an explorer to know that. How did you not know where it was? It's gigantic.
Well, I didn't visit it often, as I found Uskul tasteless. And so did Eri.
You mean Ere disliked it, so you followed his example?
Oh, I have my own tastes, you know. But I suppose you're partly right. For me, Ere's opinion always counted more than anything. He was my reviver and my mentor. I mean, he even taught me how to speak.
So he was family to you?
That... I don't think so. Even though I admired him. He always kept his distance.
Keeping his distance. I suppose that is something I can understand. It doesn't seem like we can reach this entrance. so you still have a bit of time to prepare yourself before entering his tasteless home.
Don't worry. Usko probably had more than one entrance, given the size of the region.
Astounding! There is always more to find.
Korean runes truly are a
I am
thing
certain I
of
recognize
beauty.
this area. Boji, are we going in circles? Here I go!
Here they come.
Intruder! Get them or lose your title!
Astounding! There is always more to find. Time to shine, Boji. Oh, the smell. Regret entering our land.
We've got a troublemaker!
You stubborn donkey, I told you to be careful. Time to continue. We can stay here for a while. Hey, Farron, you'll like this. Maybe we can stay here for a while.